Hey guys, welcome to FlipQuest Pro. Thanks for joining Dave and I on this journey as we look to build out FlipQuest Pro to be the ultimate resource for your fix and flip journey. We hope to provide tools and resources for you to get your first or next flip and stay on budget and on time. Now, we speak to new investors every day, and the common theme we hear from investors is one of two things. Either they're afraid to take action because they have no idea what's going to happen if they do, or they tried to do a flip but didn't have any systems and procedures in place, and it ended up being an absolute disaster. They went over budget, over time, and rather than being in and out of a flip in 4 to 6 months, maybe it took them a year or longer, worst case scenario. Now, we've spent well over $100,000 on coaches and mentors in our career to learn the systems and processes necessary to build a profitable fix and flip business. It's also allowed us to create the blueprint that we can share with you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that we see so many newer investors making. So inside FlipQuest Pro, we're going to have the 5-day virtual fix and flip challenge, which is a great way for you to jumpstart your fix and flip foundation. We're also going to have the FlipQuest blueprint, which we're super excited about because we're going to build this course out with you. We're going to get on live several times a week and build out this course, allowing you to ask questions along the way and tell us what you want inside the community. What we envision this community becoming is whatever you tell us it should. We're super excited to have you inside, and we look forward to helping you on your journey in the real estate investing world.